What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. And today, we're going to knock out some spatchcock chickens. Yeah, I know it's been a while since you've seen me, and my brother, he's not here yet. He's on the way. But we've been out, you know, doing our thing on the competition trail, catering, vending. So it's been kind of tough to get videos in. But we're going to squeeze one in today. And like I said, we're going to knock out these spatchcock chickens, alright? So, as you can see, before I forget, make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends, because, you know, we're back and we want to spread the recipes around, make sure everybody can do the best they can do in backyard, because these are all backyard recipes that you can knock out, alright? So as you can see, I already have one spatchcocked already. So I have my second one here, and I'm just cooking for myself and my family. So I'm outside doing this, no gloves, but it's all good. All right. So just gonna take that off. Grab me a little paper towel here. Wipe them down like a little Boosie, wiping it down. Gotta wipe them down. Alright. And then I'm gonna flip it over. Wipe it down a little bit. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my little chicken shears I got here. Now these here are chicken shears. They just meant for poultry, alright? So I'm gonna go right up this backbone. If you lift it up, you can feel the backbone. You just like that, easy. All right. Then you go on this other side of the backbone. Do the same thing. Now, if you don't have these shears, you can use your poultry shears out of your kitchen, or you can use a knife if that's what you want to do. All right. So after I do that, I just open it up a little bit. Take me another paper towel. Just gonna wipe it down on the inside a little bit, clean it up. Just like so. Alright. Take my little chef knife, put a little slit right there in the breastbone. Flip them over. Press down. Voila. Now you have a spatchcock chicken. Alright? It's laying flat. Okay? So now that I got that done, let's season it up a little bit, alright? So, I like to start, let me wipe this down. Alright, so I like to start on the back side of my chicken, alright? Some people use a binder, some don't. You know, I'm going to use a little bit of one. I'm going to use my canola spray oil. I'm just going to take it, give it a little spray. Alright, then I'm going to come back with my seasonings, okay? So today, I got me a little Memphis rub mix. And I got this from Savory Spice over on Charlotte Avenue, okay? So I'm going to use this, and we're going to see what's going on with it. It's got a nice color to it, as you can see. Make sure I get all the little nooks and crannies, you know. Season it up liberally. Then I'm going to come right over the top of that with the Lawman. This is a local rub here in Tennessee. The Lawman is from Knoxville area, alright? He has wonderful rubs. He has three that he has some rubs that I absolutely love. Alright, so we have
and that has won contests.
That's right.
Competitions.
It wins competitions. You're exactly right. So this one is called the Joint. Okay. All right. So that's gonna be like a garlic buttery taste. It's wonderful. It is absolutely marvelous. Then I'm gonna come back over it with a little more Lawman Deputy Coast. This is his lemon pepper. Alright, so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that. Pat this in. Just like so. You know, some people rub. You don't really want to rub. I don't want to rub. Alright, I'm gonna pat it in and then let it sit. Alright, then I'm gonna flip this thing over and I'm gonna do the same thing to the top side. Hit it with a little spray oil. And this spray oil is a binder, but it's also going to help get that color stuck in there. It's going to help crisp up the skin and all of that, okay? So I'm going to come back, hit it with my Memphis rub, again from Savory Spice on Charlotte Avenue. Or I think they have a store in Franklin too. Alright. Like I say, you can get all the nooks and crannies now. You want to get them all. Get a good layer of that rub on. Alright. I got that. Let me get the top of this breast. Outside of the wings, because you want it to be seasoned up good all over, alright? So I got all of that in. Then I'm going to come back again with my Lawman Rub, the Joint. Get that a nice little shake. Smells wonderful too. All these rubs smell good. They all taste good. Get the inside. Alright. Then come back over the top with a little bit of this lemon pepper. Just to give it that little zing. And that's that. I'm going to let this sweat in a little bit, but I'm not going to bore you with doing the second one. I showed you how to do the first one. I'm going to do the second one. And we'll catch you back in a minute with Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. Again, make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. And we really appreciate all y'all. All right?
All right, you can tell them that they can use whatever rubs that they have.
Yeah, you don't have to necessarily use these. Use your favorite rubs. Use the rubs that you love. All right, you don't have to use what I'm using, but if you want to, it'll be some links down below where you can go get these rubs and use them if you choose to. But you can use whatever you want. Use whatever rubs you have. And you can smoke on whatever smoker you have. You don't necessarily have to use the smokers that I use. Alright, so I'll catch y'all back in a second. Barbecue Bourbon and Blues. Peace, love y'all. Alright, so we're back. Word Brothers Barbecue, and look who showed up. My bourbon guy.
What's going on?
The bourbon taste master, the other half of Word Brothers Barbecue, alright? So we're out here. I'm running on these half chickens. I decided to do halves. I know I said spatchcock, but I decided to do halves because we compete, and I want to try and get down to Texas and do IBCA or is it ICBA, whichever one of them it is.
WBC.
Yeah.
IEF.
Now in Texas,
WWF.
yeah, in Texas though you can't, you don't turn in pieces. You turn in half chickens. All right. So this is the perfect time for me to try some half chickens. All right. So I got it on my Weber's Smoky Mountain, 22-inch, and I'm just gonna get these things on here. Alright, so I got them on. Like I say, you could do it however you like it. I'm running mine today at 275 degrees. But if you want to, you could even go as high as 300 degrees and do it hot and fast, alright? So today I'm doing 275 degrees on my Weber Smoky Mountain. It's locked in and we're ready to rock. We'll catch back up with you in a minute with a bourbon tasting. Barbecue, Bourbon, and Blues with the Word Brothers. Alright, so we're back. Alright, like I said, I had my guy here, the other half of the Word Brothers. Alright, he didn't make it the hour last week.
No, I didn't.
With my homeboy Slick Ricky Farmer from the Meat Stall, and the winner, the champ from the Netflix show Barbecue Showdown, my man's 50 grand, Thyron Matthews, alright? He didn't make it down there, but we got some other trips planned and we gonna make some stuff shake, alright?
But I heard they cut the check. You want they cut the check?
Yeah, when you win, they cut the check.
The check.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we doing. So what we sipping on today, bro?
Today we got some Basil Hayden dark rye bourbon today. That's what we're gonna get on today, alright?
Yep. Well, tell me about it.
Alright, so the notes to the nose, you're gonna get dark cherry, you're gonna get some oak, you're gonna get a little bit of vanilla. Alright?
Dark cherry, oak, and vanilla.
No mustard corn or nothing like that.
No mustard corn. What
And
about
it's gonna
leather?
be like, no leather. And it's also, with it being a dark rye, it has port wine that's incorporated in it, okay?
Port wine. Okay.
Port wine, yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, the rye part of it is going to be a mix of American rye and Canadian rye. You know, right now, Canada's burning down, and with the wildfires going
Fire's
on.
going crazy up there,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Let's pray for Canada, man.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we're going to get to it, to the taste. We're going to get a variety of berry flavor. All right, and that's due to the port wine.
Okay.
All right, that's in there.
What type of berries? Do you know?
Juices and berries. Dude, I don't know, man. It's berry.
You didn't say pork wine, did
I
you?
didn't say pork wine. I said port wine. P-O-R-T. So you're gonna get as I was stating before, berries. You're gonna get the hint of that vanilla, and you're gonna get a little kick of that rye spice. All right.
Okay.
All right. If you're looking for some sharp notes in it, you're not gonna find it in there.
All right.
All right. And to the taste, you're gonna get a little bit of chocolate, near the end. So we got to just jump into it. You know what I mean?
Let's do it. Basil Hayden dark rye.
Dark rye. Go ahead, you do the honors. Now,
It's 40%, 80 proof.
it's about 80 proof. Okay. And I know you want to pair it with your favorite cigars, Black and Mild wine. I guess that's
Yeah.
That's
It
gonna
match. Look.
that's gonna set off the port wine for you. And I'm gonna puff on this Rocky Patel A10 and see what it's hitting on. All right. See, the color is definitely a dark color.
It's dark,
and it's
yeah.
probably coming definitely from that port wine that's incorporated in it.
You can smell that port wine in there too.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right.
So
So
without further ado,
let's get into it. It's very mild. It's not sharp at all.
yep.
Goes down pretty easy. I got a little hit on the end, though. On the back end, got a little spicy.
Yeah, just a little uppercut.
But you can definitely taste that port wine.
Yeah, you can
that's
taste it.
incorporated in it.
Yeah, you can smell it too.
Yeah, but it's nice and easy. Nice drink. Pick it up.
All right, so there you have it. Basil Hayden dark rye. All right, knocking this out with our half chickens rolling on the Weber Smoky Mountain. Okay, make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. We'll appreciate you if you do that. Catch you back in a minute. Barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the word, brothers. All right, so we're back. All right, we got our chicken off the smoker. We did half chickens today, right? Because when we're in Texas, you do ICBA or IBCA. I forget which one it is.
WBL, IBC, and whatever else the other one is.
Don't worry about it. That's how we coming down there when we come. We come in the box. All right, because we know how y'all Texas smokers get down, man. Y'all like the epitome. So we going to just get this over here. Ooh, you see that?
Yeah, we sell them by the quarter. We sell them by the half. We sell them by the pound. We sell them by the key. Just the chicken. We got the
whole chickens. We got
moving chickens.
That's right. Ounces. We can break it down in ounces too if you want to. But that's neither here nor there. You know what I mean? We gonna go on it.
Nickel bag. We give you a nickel bag worth of chicken.
Yeah. We talking his language now, not mine. All right. Just make sure that's right, cause I'm a snitch on you. Nah, I'm just joking. Ain't no snitches over here. But we gonna get into this. All right. I'm gonna just cut a little bit. That's a little bit of the breast. You good with that, Skip?
Yeah, I'll work with it.
I know you like dog meat.
Yeah, I like my meat dog.
And how you like your legs, thighs?
Like big legs. Oh no, I like big thighs and legs.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna cut him a little bit of this dog meat off too. And I know he liked the skin too, so.
That's good enough, man. Come on.
All right, so here we go.
I'm just gonna grab, man.
How you grab yours?
Just the dog in it.
Why must I be like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog in him. Alright, so here we go.
Yeah, that's good.
With the Memphis rub.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little sweet, got a little heat.
Is it South Memphis or North Memphis rub?
Man, I don't know.
Or is it
Memphis,
Hollywood? Or is it in Hollywood?
I know one thing it ain't.
What's that?
What's where Elvis from?
Graceland.
It ain't that. So, we got this chicken, and it's nice and juicy, you know? Alright, so you see what it is, you seen the recipe, but you don't have to use, you can just use the basics of our recipe, but use the rubs that you have, alright? We'll catch y'all back next time. Barbecue, Bourbon, and Blues with the Word Brothers. Peace.